the next important thing and the part is basically the pixel, because we will be discussing a lot of things about the pixel. So you need to know what is the pixel. So basically it's a tracking code from Facebook to connect your website with Facebook. Because on our website, by default, Facebook don't have any right to check the data on our website, like what people are doing there and what activities people are performing on website. So we need to add a link, basically, you can say. So simply like this is our website and this is a Facebook. So in order to bridge them, so Facebook will get the information from our website. We need to add the pixel code there so that they will communicate with each other, and Facebook will track each individual on our website. So
Okay.
how we can create that? So again, from business settings, we need to again go all tools, and then we need to go to events manager.
What kind of things can this pixel track? Like what things does it keep track of?
Okay, so basically, like all the activities that we will assign. So, just example, if we can say like the page visits, first of all, it will track the page visits. If we have the just example e-commerce website, so add to carts, it will track checkouts and payment info or the number of purchases. Similarly, we have the leads business, so it will also track the leads, it will track the signups on our website. So every kind of the action that people are performing, like time, how much time they are staying on our website, how much they are scrolling, in which products they are interested, which pages they have visited. So all those type of the things, it will basically check all the data on our website and then track those ones.
Okay. Can it track all of those things or only like one? Like
No, no,
you said to track all of them or just one?
all those things. So basically, from the events manager, we will create first of all pixel, and then we will add the conversion tracking, and we will like ask the Facebook. These are the basically the events from our website, and these are the things that we need to track. So we will like if you have website, we can add this pixel there, and then we can see how it will track those things.
Okay.
Okay. So from the events manager. So here you can see, welcome to the events manager, connect your data, gain actionable insights for your business, optimize ads to the real world outcome. So connect data and get it for the website. So I have selected the web and then connect. So here we need to add the name of it. I'm just putting your name here,
Okay.
create. What is your website? You can put your website here.
Yeah, I just have like a dummy website. Um,
Okay, so we need to check that if there's any compatibility there or anything available. We need to like add both of those ones for your website, like conversion API and setup with partner integration. On which platform your website is?
what is
WordPress
partner
on.
integration?
So basically, it will assign us all the things automatically. So like these are the platform on which platform your website is.
WordPress.
WordPress. Okay, so can you open the dashboard of your website here? So basically, with the partner integration, it will tell us all the things time to time. So what here saying like we need to install the plugin Facebook for WordPress.
Okay.
Now its name is changed to Meta for WordPress. So we are going to the plugin option and add new.
I think it was called Facebook for WordPress.
Its name is changed.
Or let me see. Was
This one,
wait, it might have
Metapixel, this one, Metapixel for WordPress.
okay. You want to go back to the instructions or do you think that
Yes.
works?
Okay. So then the next option after installing that from the settings and then Facebook, we need to go. So the settings, this one, Meta.
There you go.
Okay, so get started. You need to log in, provide the login details of your Facebook here. I think there is a pop-up. You need to add the things there.
Should I check this? Do you think I should check this box right here?
I am not saying that pop-up, but you need to allow all the things there.
Okay. Yeah. It's taking a while. Here, let me share my screen.
Sorry?
So
Yes.
it says you've reached the ad account maximum.
No, no, this is not ad account. Just saying that to Zapier PM.
Here, let
Oh,
me just restart this. Let me just restart.
Okay.
This.
Yes, yeah. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah. So business name is fine. Page was not. Just 1 minute. Page. Just change your Facebook page. This one.
Okay.
And
Yeah, let's just do that.
this account. Advanced matching option. We need to turn that on. Continue. Uh, so this is connected now. I am going back to again events manager. We can simply go next. Again, put your website URL here so we can see. But first of all, let it load. So blue and
Let's.
apps. So this one. So first of all, how we can check if basically the web pixel is installed or not. So Facebook has a pixel, so it's called Meta Pixel Helper. So this can help us basically to check if the pixel is installed properly or not. So I am adding this to Chrome and extension. Okay, so extension is added here. So I am just refreshing your screen, and here you can see it turns to blue and it's saying this pixel is installed. This yellow sign after some time it will also be removed.
So would that be on every single page of the website or just this homepage?
No, no, every single page of website.
Okay.
Okay, so I am just closing this one because our pixel is installed. So it will take some time to check that data. The next thing is that we need to set up and guide the pixel. Basically, what are the events here? So we have added just the pixel and we can check these with the Meta Pixel Helper extension. And now we are going to the conversion tracking. Conversion tracking is basically setup tracking for each event. So how we can do that? So from again events manager, I am right now at this pixel that we installed on our website, and then I click on this settings button, and then scrolling down to this option, open event setup. And here we need to add our website URL here.
Also, what is that solutions engineering team on the left side of the screen?
Sorry.
On the left side of the screen, it says solutions engineering team. What is that?
That might be the previous pixel that you have installed or something.
Okay.
Okay, so due to some caches issue or something, so it's not tracking that pixel right now because this even not set up the properly. So that's also the one of the reason it's not getting that one. From now to onward, every person that will basically visit our website or perform any activity on website, so Facebook pixel will track that. And the best thing is that we can retarget people. So we can set up
Hmm.
the remarketing campaigns, retargeting campaigns for those who visited our website and didn't perform any action. So just example, if we have the e-commerce website and a lot of people visited our website, but they like didn't purchase, so we can retarget them and offer them some type of discount or anything. So we can retarget the people based on this data. So one more thing we can do is to add the pixel in another way as well. So that this is the second type of adding the pixel to website. So we need to click on setup meta pixel, install code manually instead of partner integration. So copy this code. Then we need to go to our dashboard first, and then basically another extension is plugin is there, headers and footers. We can install the headers and footers and paste the code there.
Okay.
So this is basically another way of setting up the pixel. So this one from WP code, install, activate. So this is a quicker solution, but this only add the pixel, not the conversion API. So from this code snippet, headers and footers, the code here, save changes.
Maybe you have to hit continue at the bottom. On that page, there was like a continue button.
What is your website? Blue Air Labs, right?
Yeah.
So from my side, it turns to the green. So there is a caches issue from your browser. So if you can change the browser, so it will be
Oh,
all okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Sometimes that happens.
No,
I think if
it will work now. It will work now. Yes, it's working now.
okay.
Yes.
Also, I think my business ads manager account got approved. You don't
Sorry.
have to use it. My business ads manager account, I think it got
Yes,
approved.
that's great. That's also great one.